Hi there. Okay, so we're going to look at sketching functions and writing a verbal description about a function. And we're on page 199. Okay, so this one says, what relationship between money in dollars and time in months does this graph show? Write a description of the given graph. Okay, so basically we have money, and the money is going up and then down, up, then down, then up, then down. So we have to come up with why is that happening every month. Okay, so we could say that this business is earning money, all through the month. So the business is earning money through the month. And then what would make the amount of money they have go down? Well, probably they have to pay their operating costs. Maybe they have to pay their bills at the end of the month. So this looks like at the end of the month, their money goes down. And then they pay their bills. And then that process keeps repeating, and then they start earning back that money. And then at the end of the month, they have to pay their bills. And then they start earning back that money throughout the month, and then they have to pay their bills again. So that would probably be a good description of that graph. Okay, so let's take a look at this next one. So this is now actually drawing a graph that matches the situation. So sketching a function. When a new laptop became available in a store, the number sold in the first week was high. Okay, so the number sold in the first week was high. So sales are, any maybe they're low, and the number sold in the first week was high. The first week. So we have to stop that over the 1 week. And then it says sales decreased over the next 2 weeks. So for the next 2 weeks, so week 2 and week 3, we have to show this line going down, decreasing, and then stopping at week 3. Over the next 2 weeks, it decreases. And then they remain steady over the next 2 weeks. So remaining steady means now a constant line. So they remain steady over the next 2 weeks, so weeks 4 and 5. And then the following week, the total number sold by the store increased slightly. So then we show a line going up just slightly, not too sharply, but slightly over that next week. Okay, so if we look at the next one, so it says Erin's mother drives to the gas station and fills up her tank. And so this has to do with fuel, how much gallons she has right now over time in minutes. So because she is driving to the gas station to fill up her tank, she's low on gas. So we're going to start the line down here. She's low on gas, anywhere down here. And so she's driving to the gas station. So the line has to be going down because she's using more fuel. She's driving to the gas station and using more fuel. Okay, and then she fills up her tank. So now she's got a full tank. So now our line's going to go way up. She's got a full tank. This is how much gas she has. So she's using gas to go to the gas station. She fills up her tank, and now she's got a full tank. Then she continues to drive to the market. Okay, so now it's going to start to go back down again because she's driving to the market. Okay. How about the next one? Let's look at this one. Melody starts at her house and rides her bike for 10 minutes to a friend's house. So she starts at her house. So she hasn't gone anywhere. That's why this distance is going to start at 0. She hasn't gone anywhere yet. So now for the first 10 minutes, she's driving to her friend's house. So we're going to draw a line going up and stopping right over the 10. So she stays at her friend's house for 60 minutes. So now we need to show a line that's constant going straight across for 60 minutes. So we're already at 10 minutes. So from here to right above the 60, that's 50 minutes. Because this is 10 and this is 50 to make that 60. And so then another 10 minutes would be a little after that. And then she stays there. So that's where the line would stop. She rides to her friend's house for 10 minutes. And then the next hour, she stays there. So we have to show time still going by, but she's not going anywhere. Okay, so which description best represents the graph shown? Okay, so we have a total people. So total people starts here up at the top. So there's a lot of people. And there's a lot of people over time. And then the amount of people goes down. And then there's still those people over time. And then the amount of people goes down to 0. So what would mimic that? What would explain that situation? Well, let's read these. Let's take a look actually at this last one. People are waiting for a train. A train comes and some people get on the train. The other people wait for the next train. Another train arrives and all the remaining people get on. So people are waiting for a train. So this explains this part right here. People are waiting for a train. And then it says, and some people get on. So that's why the amount of people goes down, because some people got on that train. The other people wait for the next train. So again, you have those less people waiting for the next train. And then it says all of the remaining people get on the train. So that's why the amount of people goes down to 0, because all of those people that were left waiting for the second train got on. Okay. And then let's just look at one more, sketching a graph. Okay, so a baseball team scores the same number of runs in each of the first 4 innings. Okay, so they score the same number of runs in each of the first 4 innings. So they all games start at 0-0, right? No one has any score. And so to show that they score the same number of runs in each of the 4 innings, we're going to draw a line that just steadily goes up. And then right when we get over inning 4, that's where it's going to stop. So like every inning, 1 run, every inning, 1 run, every inning, 1 run. Okay. Then it says, after that, the team did not score a run for the rest of the game, which lasts 9 innings. So now they've scored this many, and they're not going to score anymore. So you have to draw a constant line going straight across to show that time's going by for the 9 innings, but the number of runs is not going up anymore. That's all they've scored, so you just show a line going straight across showing time is going by. Okay, I hope that helps.